Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get one of the best spicy apps to your Fire Stick in 2025. The whole process is gonna be super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, you gotta have the app code downloader on your Fire Stick. You can get downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on the Fire Stick and start typing downloader in a search bar. And as you can see, now downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. You click on downloader and here's the app, which you need to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it is not over yet because you still have to set it up. So in order to stop downloader now, let's go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And now in here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options on a Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find the developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging right here, then go to install unknown apps, and here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on a Fire Stick. Here it is. Let's open it. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Droid TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to France right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. And now go straight for the downloader app. And in the app, all you have to do is open the search bar, and now you need to enter a code, which will be 863 and then 078. So once again, it's 863078. That's the code you have to enter. Then just click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you click on install and make sure to install the app to your device. Usually it also takes only a couple of seconds. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, as this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now when you go back to the list of apps on your device, let's open it, wait a moment for it to load, and here at the bottom you will finally see this new application, which we just got for you. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Just click on it and press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.